Hey guys, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you find this particular video useful or helpful, be sure to hit the like button. Maybe leave a comment saying thanks. It really helps with the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon, and there's a link in the description that will take you to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is a mini chainsaw by a company called Sacred. This is the box it comes in once you order it. And then once you open it up, you are of course going to get a user manual right here that explains how to operate it and change out things. You are going to get basically a screwdriver and a little wrench here that are going to allow you to change the chain if you ever need to do that. You are going to get a little bottle here of basically lube, so that way you can lube up the chain itself. Then you will get a 20-volt battery here and a way to charge it, which just plugs in right here at the top. And then there is a little light on here that goes from red to green, letting you know the battery is fully charged. Okay, so let's cover the chainsaw itself. So first off, the motor is a pure copper motor, and it has all this built-in overload protection. So if it gets too hot and everything, it will shut down. It will not basically crash on you. The blade itself here is 4 inches. So keep that in mind. It's designed for basically logs under 4 inches. If you're over that, you're not going to be able to fully cut it. So do keep that in mind. It does have the safety baffle right here. It also has a safety button right there that you need to press in to start the chainsaw. So just keep that in mind when you are utilizing that. And then as you can see, the handle here has a nice rubber coating that makes it easy to grip and comfortable to hold. One of the things I like about this mini chainsaw is because of the way it's balanced between the battery and the weight up here, it's very well balanced for a one-hand kind of usage. Which makes it great for doing quick little yard kind of jobs around the house. If you need to cut a little branches here and there, it makes it really, really easy to use. So I really like that aspect of it. Just make sure, like I said, you oil the chain before you store it for long-term storage. And if you're doing a lot of wood cutting, it's a good idea then to re-oil it because it'll help you cut through those logs a little bit quicker. As far as the battery is a 20-volt lithium battery. It is a 1500 mAh battery. It's lasted through the task, so you should get plenty of usage out of it, which is really nice. And it does have pretty quick charge, so if the battery dies on you, simply just plug it back in and it will charge up really, really quickly. But overall, I am happy with this mini chainsaw. It is perfect for getting little tasks done in the yard. Like I said, it's real comfortable to use with the one-hand operation, and it's very well balanced. If you're in the market for a nice little chainsaw, I do totally recommend checking this one out. If there's something that I didn't cover that you're curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. And that is it until the next video. You guys, take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.